Welcome back, my French lovers. Today we're stepping into the world of daily chores in French. We're going to learn all the useful verbs, phrasal expressions that you need that by the end of this video you'll be able to narrate your chores in French like a pro. Let's go. Number 1. Ranger ou mettre de l'ordre. It means to tidy up. For example, je dois ranger ma chambre avant que ça devienne un documentaire animalier. Number 2, essuyer ou nettoyer. It means to wipe down or to clean up something. J'ai essuyé le comptoir de la cuisine après avoir cuisiné. This literally means I have wiped down the counter from the kitchen, le comptoir de la cuisine, après avoir cuisiné, after having cooked, basically, or after cooking. Next, we have sortir la poubelle. This means to take out the trash. Peux-tu sortir la poubelle? Can you take out the trash? Number 4. Passer la serpillière. It means to mop up. J'ai renversé du jus et j'ai dû passer la serpillière. Renverser, it means to spill. Okay, and le jus is the juice. So, I spilled some juice and j'ai dû passer la serpillière to mop up. I had to mop up. Next we have faire la vaisselle. It means to do the dishes. For example, je vais faire la vaisselle après le dîner. I'm going to do the dishes after dinner. The next expression can be used with le lave-vaisselle ou la machine à laver. Lancer le lave-vaisselle ou lancer la machine à laver. It means to run the dishwasher or to run the washing machine. An example could be J'ai lancé le lave-vaisselle hier soir. I started the dishwasher yesterday. Next, we have attendre le linge ou mettre le linge à sécher. It means to hang up the clothes or to hang them to dry. For example, j'ai attendu le linge dehors parce qu'il fait beau. I hanged up the clothes outside because it was sunny. It was good weather. Next we have plier le linge, to fold the laundry. J'ai lavé mes vêtements il y a 2 jours, mais je n'ai toujours pas plié le linge. It means that j'ai lavé, I washed my clothes, les vêtements, il y a 2 jours, 2 days ago, but je n'ai toujours pas plié le linge. It means I never folded the laundry. Next we have balayer, to sweep up. J'ai balayé les miettes après le petit déjeuner. It means that I swept up the crumbs after having breakfast. Number 10. Passer l'aspirateur. It means to vacuum. J'ai passé l'aspirateur dans tout l'appartement aujourd'hui. I vacuumed all the apartment today. Next we have faire le lit. Faire le lit means to make the bed. For example, je fais le lit tous les matins. Every morning I make my bed. Next we have ranger après quelqu'un. It means to clean up after someone. For example, je suis fatigué de ranger après mon frère. I am tired of cleaning up after my brother. Frotter ou récurer, it means to scrub something. And another word is désencombrer ou débarrasser. It means both mean to declutter. For example, j'essaie de désencombrer mon bureau. I am trying to declutter my desk. And your challenge for today is to pick 3 words or expressions that you've learned today in French and describe your real morning routine in French. For example, je me suis levé, j'ai fait le lit, j'ai essuyé le bureau et j'ai sorti la poubelle. Post your sentences in the comments and I will provide you free feedback. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to subscribe and also check out the description box because it has information about our Mentorly Learn platform which is a platform that would help you find your dream teacher if you're interested in working with a teacher to improve your French, and of course other topics that you might be interested in. And you also can request live help when you need, and so on. So sign up for the waitlist for that, for our Mentorly Learn platform, with the link, the first link in the description, and in the second link you can find information about my pre-recorded French thematic courses that you can purchase for €5 each one, and you can just pick out what you need. And you get access via email from me. So for now, bye bye, and see you next week.